if you're married, should you be wearing your wedding ring? And I would like to point out neither one of us wears our wedding ring.
I don't need a ring to tell me that I'm married. Do I wear a wedding ring every now and then? Of course, yes. Do you wear yours? Yes, of course. But I don't feel like I got to get up in the morning and I put on my wedding ring. The wedding ring is a symbol more than it is a requirement for us.
Yeah, so the wedding ring for me, absolutely, I'm on the same note as far as it is a symbol. And there are some occupations where you cannot wear a wedding ring. If you're a nurse, if you're, sometimes if you're a teacher, if you're taking your ring off, you're putting your ring off, if you're in contracting, if you're whatever, you don't wear a ring.
When I would work in the shipyard or when I was on board the ship, like I couldn't wear my wedding ring because you don't want to get snagged in anything. You don't want it to,
Right. Yeah. And there's a lot of people out there that are like, oh, just do the silicone rings, whatever. Yeah. But here's the deal. Here's the thing. Your wedding ring, while it's a beautiful piece of jewelry, means absolutely shit about your decisions. None. If somebody is flirting with you, it is up to you to say, hey, I'm married, or hey, let's take this to a different, in a different direction. That wedding ring doesn't mean anything. I got hit on more wearing my wedding ring than not wearing it.
Were you wearing your wedding ring the day the guy was like, "Are you happy?"
Yes.
Oh, okay, that makes sense.
After I told him twice that I was married.
Nice.
Yeah. So, as far as I'm concerned, the wedding ring, while beautiful, doesn't mean anything.
I agree. I don't disagree.
What do you guys think?
Yeah. And if your wife or husband wants you to wear your ring, I think you wear your ring. It matters to them.